Here you can check the fee refund rule as well. So 100% 15 day or more before the formally notified last date of admission. Last date of admission suppose is 15th of August. Then if you go up to 30th of July or 31st of July, then you will get 100% refund. If you go less than 15 days, that is in between 30th July up now before 15th of August, I am taking as a last date of admission 15th of August. That is not the final thing. They will inform you about that soon, because there is more round of counseling also expected. So I am just taking an example. So if you go after 30th July and before 15th of August, 90% they will provide you. Or if you go 15 day or less after formally, that is after 15th August but before 30th of August, they will provide you 80% refund. After 30 days or less but more than 15 days, that is after 30th of August but before 15th of September, if you ask, then 50%. If you go after 15th of September, 0%. And the date I have considered as the last date of admission is 15th of August. That is not final. I am just taking it for explaining you in detail, for example. So hope you get my point clear. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything. That is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, COMEDK, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I'm doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details.